In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in GoHighLevel sub-accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a team member and control what they can access, all within a few clicks. First, make sure you're inside the correct sub-account and that you have permission to manage staff. From your dashboard, head to Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls live for your sub-account. Inside Settings, select My Staff. This is the area where you can view everyone who already has access and add new people to your team. If you're managing multiple users, it's a great place to quickly check roles and status later on as well. Next, click Add User. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the new team member's details. Start by typing the first name. Keep it accurate and consistent with how your team normally identifies users, which helps with reporting and assignments. Then type the last name. Even small typos can make it harder to search for users later, so it's worth a quick double check here. Now, type the email address. This is important because the system uses it to send the invitation and for the person's login. Make sure it's the work email they actively use. If your organization uses a standard format, follow it so everything stays tidy. Once the basic details are in, click Roles and Permissions. This is where you decide what the person can see and do inside the sub-account. You'll be choosing between two main options, User and Admin. Select Admin for someone who needs broad control across the sub-account, including access to most settings and management tools. Choose User for team members focused on day-to-day tasks like conversations, calendars, or simple pipeline work without the ability to change critical settings. If you're unsure, start with User. You can always adjust later. When you're happy with the role selection, click Save. GoHighLevel will create the profile and typically send an invitation to the email you entered. Let your new team member know to watch for that message. If they don't see it, remind them to check spam or promotions folders. That's it. You went to Settings, opened My Staff, clicked Add User, entered their first and last name and email, set the role under Roles and Permissions, and saved. If you ever need to change access, come back to My Staff, open the person's profile, and update the role. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to confidently add users and set the right permissions in your GoHighLevel sub-accounts.